Hi everybody, I read an interesting article today. How do you know you are rich? So would you all love to know if you are richer or not? Yes. Understand these three things basically. One is what is zero and what is infinity, and can zero and infinity be the same at the same time? Most of us think zero means nothing and infinity means a number greater than any other countable number, and zero and infinity are all opposite to each other. So just tell me, how can there be any number greater than a countable number? No answers. Imagine there is an illiterate shepherd who knows to count only between number 1 and 20. He doesn't know any numerical value beyond 20, and he has less than 20 sheep in his farm. And you would ask him a question how many sheep he has. He would precisely say 5, 10 or 15 because that is what he knows and that is what he possesses actually. And if he has more than 20 sheep in his farm and you would ask him this question how many sheep he has, he would say too many. So in science, infinity means too many and not uncountable. And the same way like zero means too few and not nothing. I'll also give you one more example to make our understanding even more better. Let us take the diameter of the earth and compare it to the distance between the sun and the earth. We would say the diameter of the earth is too small, and it is too small as compared to the distance between the sun and the earth. It is also considered to be zero, as most of us think. And if you take the same diameter of the earth and compare it to the size of the grain, we would say the diameter of the earth is infinite because it is too big as compared to the size of the small grain. So I would love to conclude by saying that the same thing can be zero and infinite at the same time depending on the context of matrix of our comparison. Similar to the relationship between zero and infinity, there is also a relationship between richer and poverty, or being rich or being poor. It all depends on the scale of comparison with your wants. So if your income is more than your wants, you are rich. If your wants are lesser than your income, you are rich. And if your wants are more than your income, you are poor. So I consider myself to be more rich because my wants are far lesser than my income. And I consider myself even more richer because not just by acquiring so much of money, but by progressively reducing my wants and living happily with what I possess. So you are rich, you become richer not just by increasing your wants, but by enriching your thoughts. So it is all based on our thoughts and reducing our wants. Thank you.